Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make pattern in Photoshop. Let's begin. So once you open up Photoshop, you're going to go to the left side here, then select New File. And then you're going to choose your width and height. So I'll be using pixels. So once you're done choosing, you're going to go to the bottom here, then select Create. Now, what you need to do is you need to get a design or logo like this, either from Canva or any other websites which offers logos. So I'm going to use this one, for example, which says Hello World. Now, what you need to do is you need to duplicate your PNG layer. So I'm going to go here where my picture is. I'm going to right click and then select Duplicate Layer. Then you can make some adjustments there. You can change the document name, and then I'm going to select OK. Now what you need to do, you need to go to the top and then select Filter. So from the list of options here, you're going to select Filter, then go all the way to the bottom, then select Other, and look for something which says Offset. And then here you can make a few adjustments by dragging this arrow here. You can push it upwards or downwards. Then once you're done, you are going to select OK. If this video helped you out, then please leave a like and consider subscribing. It's free and it helps the channel to make more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.